right, today we're gonna bring a ceiling fan, and this one has different speeds, LED light, and this is pretty much what you get. You get the top of it, the controller module, the actual controller, batteries included, metal pieces for the brackets, and then of course the LED lights. 6. 6. You gotta connect it. Make sure you're in the right spot too. Washer goes in.
Ok, el otro tornillo.
All right, so here we have the fan, and I'm gonna turn off all the lights so you guys can see it. All right, so here we have the controller along with the fan. It's all set up. So on the fan, you have power, you got reverse, you got forward, and you got different cycles, and you got 1 all the way to 4 hours. So 1 and 2 hours and 4 hours. And then you have different light settings. So let's turn on the fan first of all so you guys can see the fan. Right now we're level 3, and then you get a display here. On the actual system itself, you get a display. You could turn off by hitting the center button if you want. You could crank it up even higher. So level 4, if you guys can see that. Level 5, level 6, and that's it. Level 6, right? That's the highest. So we're gonna stop it. And then once you hit stop 0, it becomes 0 on the actual controller. Now on the light settings, we're gonna go ahead and change the light settings. We'll change different modes. That's a dimmer. Bring it back high. Different mode. That's another mode. And the last one. We could dim it down too. On the mode that you have, we're going to dim it as much as we can. Bring it back up. Change the case to higher. It's changing the light, making it brighter, as you guys see. Now we're gonna actually change a couple of things. So I'm gonna turn off the actual power completely of the fan, the light only, right? So power of the light goes off and it goes back on.